Namaskar. Myself Sanjeev Suman, Executive Chef of Vivanta Kathmandu. I am very thankful to the DV Group and Subhasri College and different NGOs who choose me a part of this initiative. It's a very great initiative, and we are also used to serve our communities like a Tata family. And I am very proud and feel very happy to get such opportunity to serve you in this way. Today is women is very strong nowadays. In every field they are joining day by day, and in which we also give a good opportunity, a good platform by our hygienically skills and teach them how to prepare a hygienic way of products that is liked by the our communities, and it also helps that woman who can earn even day-to-day basis money and survive herself. It's not stop here only. And if I found any girls or any woman who is very eager to learn and do something for the society and for the herself, we definitely give a platform for a job opportunity and give a full-time, full-fledged job opportunity in my hotels. That is a well-known hotels of ICL, Vivanta Kathmandu, and really it's a great opportunity for us, for them, and I'm very thankful once more, very thankful to our DV group and Subhasri College. Thank you very much.